Hello, my name is Brian Bartow, and I am an enrolled agent with Tax Debt Resolution Services of Winchester, Virginia. And today I'm going to talk about what you can do if you can't pay your back taxes. And I'm going to discuss one specific option called uncollectible. All right, so uncollectible, also known as currently not non-collectible or currently not collectible, is a status that the IRS could put your account in. And what that means is if you're in currently not collectible status, is all collection actions will stop. That means if you have a wage garnishment or a tax levy, those will cease immediately. It's important to understand that your tax debt does not go away. You still owe the tax, but you just don't have to make payments currently. Okay, and the IRS may reopen collection action at a later date if your income changes. Obviously, if your income increases. And it's also important to understand that the penalties and interest still continue to accrue on your tax debt. Okay, so currently not collectible. How does the IRS determine if you qualify? So what the IRS really wants to know is they want to know what is your ability to pay. Okay, so how do you do this? The first thing the IRS is going to ask for, they're going to ask you to submit a collection information statement, which is a Form 433. And there's actually several different types of 433, depending on if you're submitting just for an individual account or if you have a small business, or actually there's additional 433s depending on which division of the IRS you're dealing with. So the Form 433, the collection information statement, is essentially a personal financial statement or really a statement of cash flow, if you will. The IRS is going to want to know all the money that's coming into your household, all the money that's going out, and then any assets that you have, especially assets that might be liquid that you might be able to tap into to get some money to pay your tax debt. Yeah, and it's also important to understand that most of the expenses are limited to national or local standards. So the IRS basically has a formula, and they're going to use the national or local standards for the expenses. Like for example, if your rent is $4,000 a month, depending on where you live, the IRS might not allow quite that much in their calculations. And of course, it all depends on the size of your household, number of dependents, etc. Okay, so how do I know if I will qualify as uncollectible? What I suggest is find a good tax debt resolution specialist. I suggest an enrolled agent that has skills and experience in tax debt resolution. And what that agent will do is they will ask you to provide all of your financial information. They will likely pull your IRS account transcripts, using a power of attorney that you sign. So the account transcript is going to show all your debt, and then all your we'll be able to use the formulas to let you know if we think you will qualify or not. Okay, so if you think your account might qualify to be put into uncollectible status, or if you want to discuss your tax issues, other tax issues you might have, feel free to reach out to us at helpwithtaxissues.com, and phone number and email address is there as well. Thank you very much.